Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Jeray, and I'm coming to you with a product review on the Cantu Care for kids. And I have this video starring my beautiful 3-year-old JoJo and her gorgeous hair. So stay tuned to see how these products work and see a little quick style that I created for her. Say hi, JoJo. She is very tender-headed. She doesn't like when I do her hair, so I figured testing this product out on her very thick and beautiful hair is probably going to give you guys the best look at how these products work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash, condition, and style her hair for church in the morning. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the process so you can see how these products work. Right now, I don't have anything in her hair. I just literally took it out of the style that she's been rocking for the week. And we are getting ready to go. Are you ready, JoJo? You ready? Are you going to have tears? Say no, I'm gonna be a big girl, right? You're gonna be a big girl? Yeah. All right, let's get started. The first step in our process today was shampooing with the tear-free nourishing shampoo. Tear-free is super important when you're doing a toddler's hair because if that soap gets in their eyes and it burns, game over. You can just forget about it. You're not finishing their hair that day. So it's really important that they had a gentle formula. As I was working the shampoo through the hair, I found that the hair did feel clean, but it wasn't like completely stripped either. So I really enjoyed that. After rinsing out the shampoo, I started to apply the conditioner, the nourishing conditioner. And I love this product because it has a lot of slip. Like I told you guys, my daughter is extremely tender-headed. She hates combing her hair, but I was able to comb through her entire hair with this conditioner sitting in it. And that to me is like some major points. I actually love the conditioner way more than I love the shampoo. So I already know that this is going to be a staple product for us because the slip was amazing. The brush was just gliding through. And shout out to Felicia Leatherwood for this amazing detangling brush. Like, it's my favorite. I don't detangle with anything else. The conditioner plus the brush made it a complete, easy detangling system. I just loved it. I'm all about saving time and making this process as easy as possible. So as I'm conditioning, I'm also detangling at the same time and splitting the hair into workable sections. And then I twist them and then I rinse the hair out in these twists. So the hair is pretty much detangled after I wash out the conditioner. So that's a real time saving tip. All right, y'all. A lot of the times when I judge a product, I judge how the hair looks and feels after I wash out everything. You guys can see the hair looks moisturized. It doesn't look stripped. It doesn't look dry. It's soft. It is not tangled. I mean, I'm really feeling this nourishing conditioner. Like, usually I don't like to hype up stuff, especially because it's been sent to me. But honestly and truly, this might be a staple. And for you moms out there that have to tackle the toddler's hair and you want to figure out how to keep them still, here it is. I give her a phone or something and she is still, y'all, and I get to do her hair. Okay, the style that I'm doing is a really simple style, and I'm using the styling custard to kind of assist me with keeping the hair sleek and the twist nice and juicy. Basically parting it into smaller sections and putting a rubber band around it and then twisting the hair all the way down. Now, one of the reasons why I like this style is because I am able to keep her hair protected, keep her hair from the elements, and the style lasts for like a good week if I really wanted to, maybe sometimes a little bit more than a week. One of the things that I will remind you of is when you're using the rubber bands, make sure that you're not putting the rubber bands close to the scalp. It does not need to be tight. That's going to actually cause breakage from tension. Don't walk around with the all about me without going hard. So what I'm thinking, floss it, floss it. All right, a lot of the times when I use these styling aids, the things that I hate to see is the styling aid making the hair sticky and have that like weighed down look. If it does that, I'm not for it. I don't like it. I'll never use it again. However, with this product, it did not give me that sticky, weighed down feeling. I mean, it really made her twist juicy and shiny. Like, you guys can see the shine on these twists, and her hair is still pretty much wet. And usually when you twist hair that's wet like this, the twists don't really wrap that neatly. So I'm really feeling the styling aid, and I think that this is another thing that I can actually add to our staple collection because it's really helping her hair with this style.
What's not to love about you? Every day I find more reasons to. Cause you're in a beauty that's always shining through. What's not to love about you? What's not to love about you?
For the front of the hairstyle, I decided to split the front section into 2 equal sides, and I cornrowed the very front part of it so that I wouldn't have the tension from the rubber band so close to her edges. This is a really easy way to get that slicked pull back look without tugging and pulling at your toddler's hair and destroying their fragile edges. So right now I'm going in with a little bit of the edge control that came with the set that I received from Cantu Naturals, and just kind of slicking down her edges. And I'm using a comb instead of a brush, so again I can protect those fragile edges. Also, because this is a protective style, I don't want to leave any of her hair out, so I'm adding some more of that styling custard and splitting each section into 2, and I'm going to twist it and then wrap it around so that the hair is tucked away and completely protected. Turn around for me, let me see it. Ooh, look at that definition. Turn back around. Turn back around, baby. So what's my final grade for these products? The shampoo is alright. I mean, it does the job, but I don't love it. The conditioner is everything. It might be new holy grail. I love the styling custard. I like the curl cream, and the edge control. Cantu has always had an amazing edge control, but the conditioner and the styling custard are like the stars of the show. I am loving those 2 products. JoJo absolutely loves her hair. She's been in the mirror all evening long. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some information about these products, and I hope you got an amazing styling tip for your toddler's hair. Thanks as always for watching. Hugs and love. Bye.